Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert a presentation into a video in 2026. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just open Google Chrome browser and I just open PPT or Google Slide. As you know, this is a Google Slide, so Google Slide has a lot of options, so you can create a presentation and you can make a slideshow, so you can edit whatever PPT you can do. Same thing will be happen in the Google Slide. If you want to convert your PPT into a Google Slide, just copy your PPT and put it in the Google Slide. Automatically it will convert into a PPT to Google Slide. Now the new feature I want to share with you. So this presentation will be converted into a video. What you have to do here, just go to file menu. There will be a new option called a convert to video. So just hit the button convert to video. Automatically it will move into a new pop-up window. So you can able to see, select the imported slides. So I want 5 slides will be selected over here. So you want to select all or clear all. So I just want to select all. So include a voice and script and background music. If you want, you can enable, otherwise you can minimize. So I just want to enable this a voice and just click here to import. So turning your slides into a video, this may take a minute, so just wait for a minute. Yeah, as you see now, within a second my PPT convert into a video format, as you see here. So with the a voice, with the background music and everything will come up. So whatever slides I have, everything will be into a voice. I just want to play and show you. Just click here to play. So you can see the
Welcome to HowXT. This video is about your technology gear. Here's the table of contents. We'll introduce HowXT, talk about its YouTube presence, review its journey from the beginning, and discuss its goal.
Yes, welcome to close this one. So now if you want, you can make it as a wide, tall and update whatever you want. For example, if you want to give your voiceover, you can give your voiceover, upload your voice and narrate, or record your presentation, whatever camera, start camera. So if you have a laptop, you can start the camera recording. You can upload your videos and you can upload your stock photos, and text you want to add a text or title, everything you can get into the video format. So I just click here for this video caption I can do. So similarly, template and shapes, everything. Now I just want to download this one as a video format. What I have to do here, simple and easiest way, just go to share option. So once you click a share, there will be export to drive, download as MP4 and download as GIF. I just click here for download as a MP4. As you see now, my video is prepared and download ready. So HowXT about just download this one. So automatically my MP4 will be downloaded in my laptop, as you see here. So I can able to play and check. So simple and easiest way.
Welcome to HowXT.
Please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.